What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 23,458. We're up 2.78 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 445 billion. 24-hour volume is 29.36 billion. If you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. We've started to break out of our descending channel, so potentially we could be looking at a finish wave 2, and now we're starting to put in a 1 wave 2 pullback, 3 4 5, the wave 1 of the wave 3. That's the bullish scenario. We do have a nice bullish divergence. As you can see, we're creating lower lows, higher lows. We started to break out. So if we can see continuation and break these highs, we could potentially see our wave 3. Now, the second scenario is that we're still going through a correction here. We come down, we fall back into the pattern, and we come down and we could bounce off 22.5. We could bounce off 22.1 or 21.4 and still see continuation of the wave 3. But as of right now, we are seeing a nice bounce with the double bottom here. So we could potentially begin to break out. We can only invalidate this wave count if we come down and we lose this low. But as of right now, it's looking pretty healthy for continuation. Even if we do come down to this yellow box, we can still bounce and see that nice push to the upside. So I wanted to show you guys a chart I haven't shown on the channel in quite a while. Each and every bull run has 3 demand waves, and so far we've only had our second wave of demand, and we've gone through a correction. So I'm still looking at our third demand wave, followed by a massive alt season. Now these red and green highlights are called the CM Williams highlighter. If you want to pop it up on your chart, it works best on the weekly for Bitcoin. Just type in CMW and it's going to be the first one, CM Williams background highlight. And what it does is it flashes green when it thinks Bitcoin is reaching a bottom or a short-term bottom. And since 2018, it's been extremely accurate. So if we scroll back here, flash green, we had a nice bounce. And flash green here, we had a nice bounce. These aren't small bounces, guys. This was a bounce of 43%. Right here, it called the bottom for BTC, right? Oh, sorry, guys. Right here, it flashed green. We had a huge breakout to the upside. Right after that flash, we went up 69%. Right here, it called the bottom before a massive run. Right here, it called the bottom in the summer crash. And right here, it called the bottom, it called a short-term bottom right before we saw our dead cat bounce. Right here, it flashed green. This was one time that it was wrong. It was not correct right here. But as you can see, when it flashes kind of a stronger green color, it's indicating a stronger signal that the bottom is in, as it did right here. And as you can see, we've started to see that kind of brighter green, that stronger flash, which could be indicating a bottom for BTC. Either that, or what it's indicating here is that we're going to see a rally, or the highlighter, this indicator, thinks we're going to see a rally. And currently we have seen a nice little push from the bottom here of about, a nice push, about 39%. So as you can see, it's pretty accurate for calling either short-term bottoms or for calling long-term bottoms here in the bear market. So just something I wanted to bring to your guys' awareness. I do think this is a massive phase of accumulation here, and we're still looking for that third demand wave. We're still looking for our 5th wave in the Elliott wave from our bear market low, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This was a large corrective wave 4, waiting for that final wave 5 to the upside. So we'll pop over to this chart here, which is on the daily. Potentially, I do think we're still looking at a wave 4 correction, and this could be a bear market relief rally. That's what I'm anticipating here, as I've been covering on the channel. We've been watching this ascending channel here. And as of right now, we're just respecting this channel. We haven't come down to this level of support, but we are sitting on the support of the 0.236. So we'll see if we push up to the 0.3. I think it's likely that we at least push up to the 0.382 at 26K. Quite likely push up to 28 to 29. But if we do push up to 28 to 29, then Ethereum will most likely invalidate a wave 4 pullback, and we could look at bottoming structure for Ethereum. And Matic as well would probably create its 5-wave structure. So we'll see if we get rejected here. We could push up to the 0.32, we get rejected. Because if we do push all the way up to 29K, some of the coins in the market will show strong signs that the bottom may be in. But as I've been mentioning, I do think there's one more wave to the downside. Just a quick shout out to the Discord before we jump back in. We've been making juicy profits with the trade signals. Currently, we're up on our Ethereum long with our stop loss at break even. We locked in juicy profits on our Ethereum short trade, locked in profits on Gala, locked in profits on Matic, as you can see here. All the profits are visible. You can see the member profits as well. They've been killing it with the trade calls. Also with their own trades here on the channel. It's only $25 a month for my exact entries, exits, and take profits. For my spot trades, for my leverage trades, you can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Let's hop back into the charts. So as of right now, we've broken this channel, which is bullish. If we can maintain this breakout and not fall back into the channel, that's when we can put in our wave 3. That will take you all the way up here to about 28.7K. However, if we roll over, we come back down into the channel here, then we're still correcting, and potentially we could still bounce off about 22.5K where we come down to the 0.5, or the 0.618, 22.1, the 0.786, 21.5 core BTC. But even if we come down to these levels, I still think there's a high chance that we're at least going to push up to about 26K. But if we do come up and break this high, then we're looking at a wave 3 that could take you all the way up to about 28.7 for BTC. The alternative wave count is that this is the 5th wave, and we put in a 5-wave structure to the downside. If I zoom out here, as you can see right here, we have wave 1, wave 2, this is your wave 3, wave 4, final wave 5, and the bottom is in. That's the bullish scenario, but personally I think this scenario is more likely, and we have one more wave down in the market. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Big shout out to the Discord once again, where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profit. Only 25 USD per month for my leverage trades, my spot trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions. You have access to over 2,000 members, multiple chat rooms, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and you can sign up through the Patreon link. And if you want to trade with me, check out my full-length tutorial on Bybit. $4,500 in bonuses over there. You can follow me on IG to keep up with my travels. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.